Let's make the ultimate crispy fish fry. Perfectly seasoned, golden, and mouth-watering. This recipe is going to be your new favorite. Start by marinating the fish fillets. You can use salmon, tuna, or fish you like the most. Combine lemon juice, turmeric, salt, and a blend of spices to give the fish maximum flavor. Let it sit for at least 15 minutes for a deeper taste. For the crispy coating, mix rice flour, cornmeal, and spices like paprika, garlic powder, and black pepper. This coating is what gives the fish its irresistible crunch. Coat each piece of fish in the seasoned flour mix, ensuring every part is covered for that perfect crispy texture. Tap off the excess for a light, even coat. Heat oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and carefully fry the fish in batches for 4 to 5 minutes per side, or until golden and crispy. Be careful not to overcrowd the pan. Your restaurant-style crispy fish fry is ready to serve. Pair it with a squeeze of lemon and a dip of your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe